Amy Winehouse. Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Courtney. In today's video, I am going to be doing this look, which is inspired by the amazing, the wonderful, super talented, everybody knows, Amy Winehouse. If you want to see how I created this look, please continue to watch, and let's get started. Okay, so I'm gonna take Smolder Eye Pencil first, because I'm going to give myself a map, and then I'm gonna go over it with a liquid liner so that it lasts all day. But I find that this works a lot easier for me, because whenever I go in with liner or liquid liner first, I always get a little bit nervous. So for my mental state, we're gonna go in with a pencil. It is an interesting, like, modern shape on like a classic silhouette. So it's more rounded, almost to look like she just threw it on like effortlessly, but it was actually pretty perfect. So just make that rounded edge rather than your classic tapered wing. Make sure that they're about even. No one cares if they're not, no one's looking that close. And then just pull it straight down. You're gonna make a really thick line, coloring in the lid. So it does taper on the inner corner, so you can start there and make like that, like a half moon. Does that make sense? And you don't want it to dip too much, but there is a little bit of a dip, almost like hugging the brow bone. And then you fill all that in, make it nice and black. Now you can just powder this, but I find that if you really want it to last throughout the day, going over the whole thing with the liquid liner is not gonna smudge. I'm using NYX Epic Wear in black. And I start on the outer edge just to perfect that shape. And as I go, just fill that in. If you stick your chin out, you'll be less likely to transfer it because your eyelid is gonna lay flat. And you wanna let this dry, so kind of stay in this position until it dries. It goes on shiny and it dries matte. So you know once it's dry, you won't see any of that shine. This is such a good liquid liner. Some liquid liners, they go on so sheer. This goes on even without the, because I've tried it without the first pencil liner, and it goes on very, very dark, very, very fast. Just let that dry. And you can always go in and shape it with just a little bit of makeup remover on a Q-tip. They do make Q-tips nowadays that are reusable, which is great, so it's less wasteful. And then with that, you can also create that shape. That's how I started with my liquid liner when I was a teen. I would just throw it on and then clean it up and shape it into what I wanted. While that's drying, I'm gonna go in with Superhero from IT Cosmetics. This is an amazing mascara. Goes on really fast, really dark, makes your eyelashes super long, keeps the curl. It's wonderful. This isn't sponsored, but this was gifted to me by IT Cosmetics. So put a lot of mascara top and bottom. I already had some on, but it also builds off of itself very nicely too. So if you need a refresh throughout the day, you can just keep this on you, and I like to do that sometimes. Just hit halfway through the day with a little bit more mascara. Why not? So this color is called Dark Matter. This is by Fluid Beauty. She had a little bit of an eyeliner, but not as black as the top. It just created a little bit of a shadow and a slight frost. So this is a beautiful bronzy shadow. So it catches the light. It also sets itself, so you don't have to worry about it smudging throughout the day. Beautiful. For the lips, I'm going to use So Rare by Juvia's Place. And I'm just contouring. Shouldn't do a lot on the lip. You can just put like a lip balm or something. I don't want it to be too shiny. I'm just going to keep the natural color of the lip. And there you have it. I look inspired by the amazing Amy Winehouse. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe. If you have any other, this was requested, so thank you so much. This was such a good idea. If you have any other requests, please leave it in the comments down below, and I will see you in my next video. Thanks so much. Bye.